Okay, I just added scheduling to this program so you can schedule when Command Alexa speaks to your device. There's 5 different wake words available. I think I might have already mentioned, but you would go to events and press show. You see these 3 buttons here. This is a one-time setting. This is for Monday through Friday, and this is for every day. I think this is very helpful if you want to turn lights off and on.
Alexa, light 1 on.
So if you have a smart plug named Light 1, that would turn your light off and on at a certain time. Like say I want to set the time to Monday through Friday, say 4 o'clock, I'd highlight this. This would do Monday through Friday. Now, the nice thing about this is if you're not even here, you could pick like a different day, or you pick a different time. Say I want to shut this off at 5 o'clock. I'd highlight that and I'd put 5 here. And I would say Monday, I want to stay the same venue Monday through Friday. And I want to go light off.
Alexa, light 1 off.
I have my Alexa muted. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So see, this will, like, you could be off on vacation somewhere, and you could create multiple entries here, and it'll turn your light off and off, on and off periodically, so that it'll give you the appearance like someone's here. This is for every day. And this is just
Alexa, light 1 off.
This is just for an example.
Alexa, light 1 on.
And this was 4 o'clock. These don't have to be in order. So when it hits this, it'll turn on at 4 o'clock again every day, and it'll shut off again every day at 5 p.m. So that's just an example of how you can use the program. Just don't forget to use the date. Make sure you check everything, when you're done. If you want to delete anything, just go back. You want to delete something, you could delete the whole list, or just delete one item. It's all saved so that when you close the program and it reopens, this will all be here the next day.